This video is about configure Entra domain join setting. We need to join to the Entra ID to use our organization resources. In first portion, we will enable the device setting through which we can restrict a user who can join a device to Entra domain. We can also set MFA from there, and as well we will see the local account administrator settings. After configuring the device settings, we will move and join window 11 to the Entra ID. After that, we will sign in from our domain account, and last I will show you how will we disconnect from Entra domain. Let's move towards the lab. Before Entra domain joined, there is a device setting which we need to configure. So we will move towards the identity. Drop down, select devices, select all devices. Here select device setting. This is a Microsoft Entra Join and registration setting. A user may join a device to Entra ID if it's selected to none. So no will be allowed to join a device to Entra. In selected, you will select a user or a group that can join a device to Entra ID. You can select members from here, and you can add users or groups that can add a device to Entra ID. So we will select the all members can join a device to Entra ID. Require multi-factor authentication to register to join a device with my Entra. We will select no. You can also select yes. So maximum device number of devices per user. How many device one user can add to Entra ID. I will select 10, and you can go through your company policy. Now for local administrator account, the account that has been first created during the installation. So global administrator role is added as a local administrator for a device during Microsoft Entra Join. We will select no. You can also add a user to local administrator group from here. Select a user, add a user. This user will be automatically added to the local administrator group when the device is joined to the Entra ID. So I have selected Fawad, so he will be added in the local administrator group. Enable Microsoft Entra local password. You can also enable the lapse, so the local password will be automatically changed. Restrict a user from recovering the BitLocker. I will select no. So save the settings. Setting has been updated successfully. Now we will join a window 11 to Entra ID. First I will show you in devices there is no any device that has been connected to Entra ID. I will select all devices. As you can see, there is no devices that has been connected to Entra ID. And now we will open the window 11. I have installed a window 11 in VirtualBox. Uh, in your case, you can join a domain from a physical machine. From the start button, right click and select settings. Select accounts. Drop down and select access work or school. From here select connect. From here, select join the device to Microsoft Entra ID. Type the email address rohan khan at lolc650 dot on microsoft.com. Type the password. So make sure this user should have the global admin rights or have the rights of to join a domain. While the device has been connected to successfully to the organization, we select done. Now we will move towards the Entra ID admin center. Here we will select the devices. As you can see that the device has been successfully connected. Now we will check the status at client end. Close the setting. Open the terminal with admin rights. Type Dsregcmd status, and that will show you the status of your machine, either it's joined to Azure AD or not. As you can see that Azure AD Join status is yes, device is CL. So close. You will see that the user has been added to the local administrator account. So select computer management, select user and groups, select administrators. As you can see that the seed number represent the account of which we have added to local administrator group. So it has been successfully added. You select close, cancel, and close. One more thing I want to clarify, this device is joined only to Entra ID. It's not joined to Intune. As you can, I will show you. Come to device, all devices. As you can see that the MDM is none. Owner is Rohan Khan, and the join type is Microsoft Entra joined. Let's sign in from the domain account. Open the Windows 11. We will sign out. We will sign in with a global admin account that is present in Entra ID Rohan Khan at 650 LLC 650 dot on Microsoft.com. I will enter the password. It's authenticating. Now use the window hello with your account. Okay. Enter the code. uh, choose a pin. There should be a six character. Okay, so it has been successfully signed in last I will show you how will we disconnect from intra domain. What we will do first, we will sign out from intra account and log in with the local account, and that is my local account. So you should know the local account password and account name. From here we will select settings and select accounts, select access work or school, and select disconnect. Yes, and disconnect. Here you have to write your local account credential. So it has been successfully removed from Entra domain.